about that, how many languages I can learn. But fortunately now I can't speak English because I'm gonna to help every single one to want to learn English. My opportunity, my destiny for future, I'm going to help every single one in this universe who wants to speak English. That is one, my destiny, and then my opportunity, and then my destiny. And then, even though until now I'm still learning Spanish from watching movie and then watching YouTube and then read a book every single day, read a book and then vocabulary, you know what? Yeah, I'm still learning and then practicing by myself and then my teacher. But until now, I just speak, they can speak English and then Esperanto. Inshallah, alhamdulillah, I can speak Esperanto C1. When those people from United States, from Europe, from Russia, they will come here, I can explain and then describe Esperanto.